That's a shaggy mane mushroom.
Yeah, and why are you so excited about it?
Because they're delicious.
Because they're edible and you can eat them. New and fresh out of the ground, it'll look more like, a little bit more like this. It's like long and cylindrical and more just pure white. It'll just like pure white and kind of shaggy. It's wild carrot, which is actually the same genus as our cultivated carrot. And, well, first thing that I would say about it is that this family, the umbel family, Apiaceae, you have to be humble with the umbels. There's a lot of, our most toxic poisonous plants in our area are umbels.
Oh, like
and
hemlock. Hemlock?
Yeah, like hemlock, like poison hemlock, like water hemlock. And that means that anything in the trifol that has the Trifolium genus is edible. And they've got, you can identify them, they've got these beautiful heads of flowers. This is a head with many flowers on it. And it's just got, there's one little flower. See the little brown things there that are hanging off? Those are the sporophytes that have spores in them. That's the fruiting bodies of that moss. So mosses have that ability to like just completely desiccate and become totally dry, and then when it rains they just like soak up that water and they're less boom, ready to go again, like I'm ready to photosynthesize. Horsetail. Equisetum is kind of like, it's part of the, it's in the same group as the ferns. It's a seedless vascular plant, so it's like got a few more like adaptations than the bryophytes and the mosses, but it's like not as evolved as the plants that make seeds. It doesn't have bitter, but also delicious and really great for you. Yeah, you want to try?
Yeah.